students, welcome to week 2 of Utah Students Connect. My name is Mrs. Eden. I am a math teacher this quarter. I just wanted to let some of you know that have taken math courses with me in previous quarters that we did change the grading criteria. So I want to make sure that you're aware of that. So this quarter, you will not be writing a score on the top of your paper comparing it to the answer keys since the answer keys are not provided. Instead, you're still going to receive the 8 points for showing all work on every problem. It can be a symbol, a word, the steps shown, whatever it takes to show that you understand the process. And then this time I'm going to spot check 2 questions, and I'll tell you which 2 I pick in the comments, and you get 1 point for each of them if they are correct. So if they're not correct, I will tell you, and you can still resubmit them, and then I'll just randomly pick 2 more questions, probably the same ones though. Okay, so please reach out, email me if you need any help, or if you have any questions about the grading this quarter. Okay, all right, thanks, good luck.